Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. And we are in Lipa City, and this is our way to Alitagtag. We're going to have a staycation in a resort there. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy our mini road trip. Come on. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Let's continue our trip. It's a little bit zigzag on these roads. There's they are selling paso here. A few stores I saw selling plants and paso on the way. But hindi naman kami huminto. Maganda yun mga ano doon, bugambilya. May purple, pink, tapos parang may peach pa. Ang ganda-ganda nila.
Oh. In 500 meters, turn left on Noni Resort.
The street here is parang one way lang, and it's very tight. I think it's just for one car. If may kasalubong, mahihirapan. Usually wala naman natang kasalubong dito. And we are now here in Noni's Resort. Yeah, there are signs. And the street is named after it. Oh, we're here. And we have to do this one.
Maganon pa ako.
We are going to the main house, and that's where we are going to register. It's so refreshing here with a lot of plants, and they have ponds too with fishes. The time we went there, they're cleaning it. Daming dala oh. This is where we registered, and they have a lounge inside where they serve you coffee before going to your rooms. And now we are in our room, and I'm going to show you a room tour. I'm going to tour you around our room. And this is where we're going to stay. It has a pool, mini pool. It's a small, very small pool lang. Pwede pang babad lang. And that's the view. And this is our first bedroom. It's a queen bed. When you enter the door, this is what you see. And we have a sofa.
There's plastic rug.
And they provided water and they can refill it, so don't bring any water. And they have a sanitation kit, a hair dryer, and some cabinets. And this is
toilet area.
the
There are two
ano yun?
sides.
Lababo. And the toilet and the shower room is separate. So kahit 4 people kayo, hindi kayo mag-aagawan sa CR. Because they have separate areas. You can wash your hands, brush your teeth in the lababo. This is the coffee area, and they have a water kettle and the coffee making things there. And this is the sampayan. It's very helpful for our towels and also bags. And this is the ladder going to the loft. You can make it para it's easier to go up. But I let my daughter go up and took a video there. There's no handle on the ladder, so better kapag mga bata ang umakyat. Pag matanda na, medyo hirap. It's very cozy up there. It's a double bed and you can sleep 2 people. Ang cute-cute niya. And pwede ka maglagay ng mga gamit sa sides, and there's an AC. Yung AC for the loft and sa baba na.
And then when you wake up, you will have the Mount Makulot and Taal Volcano area. Outside, we have the grilling area, and our things are all here. So I can have eating area downstairs. From there, we can eat there. In the room, that's the view you can see. We have pinakbet and barbecue, and this is the tuna belly, and we have one caldero udalo and rice, and they gave us a free red wine. And we're going to eat here outside. Dinner time.
Dinner time.
Ay, ako Betty, ahoy pa. Dinner is served. Dinner na. Buffet. Yan.
This is the real life Olivia Cup. Yo Queen. This is her husband, reading a book. She's just there dipping her toes in the pool. Morning, everybody. Yesterday, we checked in here at the Noni's Resort. Oh, mali. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Yesterday we were check-in here at Noni's Resort, and I just made my intro. Good morning, everybody, and this is the view here. That's the one with the usok-usok. That's the Taal